Hello there, welcome to our channel. Startup Money Ethics. Today we're talking about the best side hustles to start in 2023. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, gain new skills, or just have some fun, these 7 ideas are a great place to start. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. First, online tutoring or teaching. With the rise of online education, there has never been a better time to become an online tutor or teacher. Whether you have expertise in a particular subject or just a passion for helping others, you can share your knowledge with students around the world. Platforms like TutorMe and VIPKid make it easy to get started and earn money for your time. Second, virtual event planning and coordination. With the continued growth of remote work, virtual events have become more popular than ever. If you have experience planning events or have a passion for bringing people together, you can earn money by organizing and coordinating virtual events for businesses and individuals. Platforms like Eventbrite and Zoom make it easy to get started and reach a large audience. Third, freelance writing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing is a great side hustle to consider. From blog posts to social media copy to ebooks, there is a huge demand for high-quality writing, and you can earn money by putting your skills to work. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to find clients and get paid for your work. Fourth, digital marketing. As more and more businesses move online, the demand for digital marketing expertise is growing rapidly. If you have experience with SEO, social media, or content marketing, you can earn money by offering your services to businesses and individuals. Platforms like Hootsuite and SEMrush make it easy to get started and learn more about the latest trends in digital marketing. Fifth, graphic designing. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or just have a passion for design, there is a growing demand for high-quality graphics and visual content. From logos to infographics to social media graphics, you can earn money by using your skills to create eye-catching designs for businesses and individuals. Platforms like Canva and Adobe Creative Cloud make it easy to get started and showcase your work. Sixth, web development. With the growing importance of websites and online presence, there has never been a better time to learn web development. If you have experience with coding and design, you can earn money by creating and maintaining websites for businesses and individuals. Platforms like WordPress and Wix make it easy to get started and build your portfolio. Seventh, Etsy shop or online store. If you have a creative streak and a passion for making things, consider starting an Etsy shop or online store. Whether you're selling handmade items, vintage finds, or digital products, you can reach a global audience and earn money by selling your products online. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify make it easy to get started and manage your store. And there you have it, 7 of the best side hustles to start in 2023. Whether you're looking for a new skill, a way to supplement your income, or just some extra fun, these ideas are a great place to start. So go ahead and try one out, and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this.